This is the Micro-DMM. It is a miniature compressed version of the common type of digital multimeter you would find in an electronics classroom. It can read voltage, current, and continuity. Let's take a look inside the 3D printed case. Here we have the PCB, the OLED display which sits on top of the programming ports, and underneath we have a 9-volt battery which is soldered to the PCB and is flush with the edges. Due to a design error, we have to use one DMM to measure amps and another to measure volts. Here, on the voltage measuring one, we can see the DMM's DC barrel jack. This clips in and it allows you to attach alligator clips to any circuit or battery and read the voltage coming from it. We can use the voltage DMM to measure the voltage in this AA battery without having to set up any extra circuits. Simply touch the positive and negative ends to the battery to the alligator clips, and we get a voltage reading of 4.47 to 45 volts, which is appropriate for a 1.5 volt AA battery. Here we have a breadboard with a 47 and 10 ohm resistor. First, let's calculate the theoretical current that would travel through this if we plug it in to this 4AA battery pack. Let's read the voltage from this battery pack. So we're reading about 6.7 volts coming off this battery pack. Now voltage divided by resistance, we'll do 47 first. We should get around 0.15 amps. We're going to connect positive to the resistor, and then we're going to ground it. And look at that, we're reading about 0.12 amps. Again, it's fluctuating a lot because the sensitivity on the sensor is higher and it's meant for a little higher voltage. So within 0.05 amps, which is pretty accurate. Now let's do the 10 ohm. Again, we do our 6.7 volts divided by 10 ohms. Should be about 0.7 amps. And there you go. See, with a little higher current, we get a more precise measurement, and that is almost exactly around 0.7 amps. As for the continuity feature of the Micro-DMM, unfortunately, the wiring error previously discussed prohibits the continuity test from occurring, as it's just an automatic short. However, this demonstration shows that both the amp and the voltage measuring process are fairly accurate and could stand up against professional grade DMMs if you weren't trying to get within 0.05 accuracy with amps or about 0.2 accuracy with volts. Thank you for watching.